Hi guys, welcome to Vijay Views. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. So guys, in this video, I'd like to share you the information about Bajaj Avenger 400 launch update or launch information. Guys, the Avenger 400 when it is going to be launched, right? So it would be an affordable one in terms of pricing. So at present, we have only Royal Enfields in the cruiser segment, right? So if you want premium, you have Harleys or any other brand. But if you are looking for the affordable one, you can only go for Royal Enfields. In terms of pricing, the vehicle performance I've not ridden it, guys. I exactly don't know, so I won't talk about the performance part of it. But in terms of pricing, it would be somewhere between 1 lakh 50 or 1 lakh 60 in this price range. But the Avenger 400 would be an perfect vehicle. Someone who's trying to upgrade from 125 or 150cc, or someone who's already having an Avenger 150 or 180 or 220 wanted to upgrade to the bigger capacity, right? So for them it would be a better vehicle in terms of pricing and the rideability. So the Avenger 400 is not going to use any new engine. It is going to be using the same engine of Dominar 400, but it is going to be detuned. So in terms of the power figures, it would be around 35 bhp, but Dominar is producing around 40. I think 35 should be a better one for city use or highway. It would be an all-rounder vehicle. There's no doubt about it. And in terms of the affordability, Avenger or Bajaj brand always nails it in terms of pricing, and the service cost always is less, right? So this, I think it would be a better vehicle when it is getting launched. If someone who's trying to buy an cruiser vehicle, wait till the launch. If you feel it is going to be better, or you can spend your money on, you can surely go through the showrooms or check for the test drives. If you feel it is good, then you can proceed it. Before that, I request you wait, don't go for any other brand, uh, so that your money is well spent, guys. I hope this video would be useful to someone who's trying to upgrade to the bigger capacity right now and has a budget constraint, right? So for them, this video would be useful. I try to bring all the bike related information, guys, but few I skip it because I know it won't get released. But Bajaj or Royal Enfields, TVS or Heroes, they are in this market for a longer time, right? So they can take a risk and they can release the vehicle. So waiting for Bajaj is not going to be any loss. So wait till the next year May. If you have budget, if you love any particular brand vehicle, you can go ahead and buy it, no issues. But if you're in the budget segment, please wait till they launch. Let the vehicle get released. See if is really worth paying 1,50,000 for the vehicle. If it has the features or the other technologies what all modern day vehicles you get, right? If you have all that, if you still love the vehicle, you can go ahead and try the vehicle. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Please be safe. Always wear a mask when you step outside. I'll see you on the next video. Please do watch other videos also on my channel. Please be safe.